Join me as I take on the challenge of discovering my paternal siblings as an adult and figuring out what comes next. Discovering paternal siblings as an adult can be a life-altering experience. For many individuals, this journey is a significant turning point, one that can bring about a mix of emotions, questions, and revelations. As we navigate this uncharted territory, we're forced to re-examine our sense of identity, family dynamics, and even our own relationships. When someone learns about paternal siblings later in life, it can be an emotional roller coaster. There's often a sense of shock, confusion, and even guilt. Why didn't I know about this before? Why did my parents keep this a secret? These questions can swirl in our minds, making it difficult to process our emotions. Logistical challenges can also arise, such as figuring out how to connect with these newfound siblings, how to build relationships, and how to navigate the complex family dynamics that come with this new information. Another significant challenge is the fear of rejection or uncertainty. What if my siblings don't want to meet me? What if they're not interested in building a relationship? These fears can be overwhelming, making it difficult to take that initial step towards outreach. Additionally, there's the emotional burden of dealing with feelings of abandonment, anger, or resentment towards our parents for keeping this secret from us. It's essential to acknowledge and validate these emotions, rather than suppressing them. As we navigate these challenges, it's crucial to prioritize self-care and emotional well-being. This can involve seeking support from friends, family members, or even a therapist who can help us process our emotions and develop a plan for moving forward. It's also essential to approach this journey with empathy, understanding, and patience, not just towards our siblings, but also towards ourselves. The key is to focus on the present and the future, rather than getting stuck in the past. By doing so, we can begin to build a new narrative, one that's centered around connection, understanding, and growth. When it comes to taking those initial steps, it's essential to be mindful of our approach. We must be respectful of our siblings' boundaries, privacy, and feelings. A gentle, empathetic, and non-judgmental approach can go a long way in building trust and fostering meaningful relationships. It's also crucial to communicate openly and honestly, being clear about our intentions and expectations. As we embark on this journey, it's vital to recognize that everyone's experience is unique. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to building relationships with paternal siblings. What works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to remain flexible, adaptable, and patient, being willing to learn from our mistakes and adjust our approach as needed. One remarkable story that comes to mind is that of Sarah, who discovered she had 3 paternal siblings in her mid-30s. Despite the initial shock and uncertainty, Sarah decided to reach out to her siblings, and their response was overwhelmingly positive. Over time, they began to build strong, loving relationships, which have had a profound impact on Sarah's life. She's described feeling a deep sense of connection, belonging, and healing, highlighting the transformative power of this experience. Sarah's story is a powerful testament to the human capacity for connection and growth. It shows us that even in the face of uncertainty and adversity, we have the power to create positive change, to build bridges, and to forge meaningful relationships. This experience has not only transformed Sarah's life but has also inspired others to embark on their own journeys of discovery. In conclusion, discovering paternal siblings as an adult can be a complex, emotional, and potentially life-changing experience. While it's natural to face challenges and uncertainties, it's essential to approach this journey with empathy, patience, and an open heart. By doing so, we can create space for healing, connection, and growth, ultimately leading to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place within our families. If you've discovered paternal siblings as an adult or are currently on this journey, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Share your experiences, your challenges, and your triumphs. And if you're interested in exploring more content on family connections and ancestry, be sure to check out my other videos.